Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Which of the following chronological orders is correct? A. The Mother, the Life Divine, the Synthesis of Yoga, the Human Cycle, the Future Poetry. B. The Mother, the Human Cycle, the Life Divine, the Future Poetry, the Synthesis of Yoga. C. The Life Divine, the Mother, the Synthesis of Yoga, the Future Poetry, the Human Cycle. D. The Human Cycle, the Mother, the Life Divine, the Synthesis of Yoga, the Future Poetry. The right answer is option A. The Mother, 1928, The Life Divine, 1939-1940, The Synthesis of Yoga, 1948, The Human Cycle, 1949, The Future Poetry, 1953. Next question. Which publication year is correctly matched? A. The Future Poetry 1953, B. The Mother 1948, C. The Human Cycle 1939, D. The Synthesis of Yoga 1953. The right answer is option A. The Future Poetry 1953. Next question. Which work was published between The Mother, 1928, and The Synthesis of Yoga, 1948? A. The Human Cycle, B. The Future Poetry, C. The Life Divine, D. Savitri. The right answer is option C. The Life Divine, 1939-1940. Next question. Which work appeared in book form before The Human Cycle? A. The Future Poetry, B. The Synthesis of Yoga, C. Savitri, D. Essays Divine and Human. The right answer is option B. The Synthesis of Yoga, 1948. Next question. Arrange the following works from earliest to latest. The Mother, The Human Cycle, The Future Poetry, The Synthesis of Yoga. A. 1, 4, 2, 3, B. 4, 1, 2, 3, C. 1, 2, 4, 3, D. 2, 1, 4, 3. The right answer is option A. The Mother, 1928, The Synthesis of Yoga, 1948, The Human Cycle, 1949, The Future Poetry, 1953. Next question. Which work of Sri Aurobindo was published in 1949 along with the ideal of human unity? A. The Mother, B. The Human Cycle, C. Savitri, D. The Future Poetry. The right answer is option B. The Human Cycle, 1949. Next question. Which pair is correctly matched? A. The Human Cycle 1948, B. The Mother 1928, C. The Future Poetry 1949, D. The Life Divine 1953. The right answer is option B. The Mother 1928. Next question. Which work was published last? A. The Future Poetry, B. The Human Cycle, C. The Synthesis of Yoga, D. The Mother. The right answer is option A. The Future Poetry, 1953. Next question. Which work was published in 1953 after Sri Aurobindo's death? A. The Future Poetry, B. The Mother, C. The Life Divine, D. Essays on the Gita. The right answer is option A. The Future Poetry, 1953. Next question. Sri Aurobindo was born in A. Kolkata, B. Pondicherry, C. Konnagar, Bengal Presidency, D. Dhaka. The right answer is option C. Konnagar, Bengal Presidency, the 15th of August 1872. Next question. Which revolutionary organization was Sri Aurobindo closely associated with during the Indian freedom movement? A. Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, B. Anushilan Samiti, C. Ghadar Party, D. Indian National Army. The right answer is option B. Anushilan Samiti. Next question. Which event marked the major turning point in Sri Aurobindo's life from revolutionary politics to spiritual philosophy? A. His graduation from Cambridge, B. His imprisonment in the Alipore bomb case, 1908-1909. C. His appointment at Baroda College, D. His visit to England in 1893. The right answer is option B. His imprisonment in the Alipore bomb case, 1908-1909, during which he underwent profound spiritual experiences that transformed the course of his life.